All right, we're asked to simplify this expression, 5x to the fourth times 6x to the third over 3x squared. And we're going to be using the rules of exponents here. I'm multiplying on the top. I'm always going to do everything on the top first, everything on the bottom, and then simplify. So I'm multiplying here. The rule for multiplying is that I'm going to be adding these two exponents. 4 and 3 to make 7. So that's pretty simple. And then the rule for dividing, I'm going to be subtracting the exponents. So the rule for dividing is to subtract the two exponents. But I've also got these numbers here. My very strong suggestion is to just treat the numbers separately from the x's. So I'm just going to pretend that the x's aren't even there for right now. So all I've got is 5 times 6 divided by 3. Just 5 times 6 divided by 3. So I'm going to do the numbers, and then I'm going to do the rules of exponents. Just like in scientific notation, if you were doing 6e2 times 4 E3, I would multiply the two coefficients 6 times 4 to give me 24, and then add the two exponents 2 and 3 to give me 5. So just like that, I'm going to multiply these numbers, and then I'm going to use the rules of exponents for the exponents. So numbers for numbers, exponents for exponents. And what I wind up with is 5 times 6 is 30, over 3 is 3. And that's obviously 10, but it's time to start paying attention to the x's again. And so let's bring them back and make the numbers go away this time. So suppose the numbers weren't there, but the x's were. So I got rid of the numbers, and now I'm just looking at the x's. Incidentally, this is what my brain does. So when I'm looking at it, I completely ignore the x's at first, or the exponents at first, and just look at the numbers and get this, and then I just look at the exponents. As we were already talking about, 4 to the x to the fourth times x to the third is x to the seventh in the first step, divided by x to the second. And in the second step, x to the seventh divided by x to the second, I subtract those exponents, I get x to the fifth. X to the fifth. So the numbers gave me this, and then the exponents gave me that, and now I might as well do 30 over 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10.